Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, as promised, when I cut my nails short I would do some short nail art just for those people that requested. Now I won't keep my nails short for very long, I'm sorry, but that's just me. So what I was going for was like a nighttime unicorn nail look, night sky. So I'm going to use 3 blue hollow polishes. So we have Aria from I Love Nail Polish, and you can see the hollow there is just lovely. And then we have 2 blues from Cupcake polishes, and they are my favorite hollow company. It's Suitor on a Scooter, which is the medium blue, and that dark navy blue is called Bachelor Pad. I hope the camera is picking up the hollow for you guys there. The hollow on these polishes are just divine. So what I have done is I have gone ahead in with the lightest color, the I Love Nail Polish, and I have put 1 coat on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sponge a gradient then on with the 3 colors. Obviously I have some of my Nail Artisan liquid latex. I will go in with that and we will stamp with our unicorn nail plate we have here, which is the Beauty Big Bang XL 007. I will put links in the description box below where to get it. I also have a promotion code. If you use the code POLISHED, you will get 15% off anything on the Beauty Big Bang website. So I'll put that in the description box below as well. So just to seal that in, I'm just going to go over the top then with some clear top coat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cute guy down here and I'm going to stamp him onto my nails. I'm going to reverse stamp, which means I'm going to colour it in as well, and then I will put that on the middle finger. So while that's drying, we're going to do the shooting star on the finger beside it. Now with some top coat and a dry brush, so just wiping off as much as that top coat as we can, I'm just going to run that across the big finger, and it'll just apply enough just to give a tacky layer for that decal to stick to. I think I'll just put that cloud on as well. So there we have it. So I am just going to top coat them, clean up the edges, and we are done. So here we go. These are the final nails. I only did the unicorn on one hand. The camera is just not picking up. It is picking up the hollow, but it's just not doing it justice at all. So I'm actually filming this at night time, so if it is not like raining and the sun is actually shining tomorrow, I will go outside and show you some with some natural light. But what do you think, guys? Do you like them? I think they're really pretty. I do like this nail plate. So if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really does help our channel out. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.